strips.
They manually pick them up and throw them?
Yeah. So he moved the spike strips from. He fondled them.
His spike strip. He liked it. He did. He fucking. He got a pulling one. That reached out onto the hood and adjusted them.
You pervert.
There's the spike strips.
Sitting on the hood, we were waiting for this so-called stolen car to come by.
Actually, it's a car burglary.
Oh, car burglary.
Yeah.
From 124 Val. 918, you're going to be closer. 927.
Maybe they're gonna
Spike them.
Spike the bicycle.
This guy on the bicycle.
That'd be funny.
That'd be hella fucked up.
He's looking back like, oh fuck, all paranoid. He's probably on meth. No idea.
He got the perfect angle too. This is a good thing. They'll probably turn their headlights on to fuck our video up. You know they'll turn the headlights on right before they throw them.
No, because if they do that, I'll just run over to where I was at.
That's what I'm saying. You spread out over there anyway, so it won't catch you.
Yeah.
And all I'm gonna do is cover part of my lens with my hand.
Yeah. See, the other one in the driver's seat just put his hand out for a second.
Have a bunch of nuns following them around and hit them on the hands with rulers every time they stick their hand out there. They're hella gonna do it. Spotlight watch.
They may not, because they don't want people to know. They don't want the guy to know the cops are there. That's why it's not being followed by their officers. It's being followed by an undercover. Because they told all the cops to stay out of the area.
I bet as soon as they call him off, as soon as his tires hit that metal,
Mm.
they're gonna fucking swarm this motherfucker place. This is YouTube Gold, gentlemen. Y'all can race me to upload this shit.
I'm already uploading. I'm live. No,
Oh, so you get the shit. Nice.
I'm not even live. Look, I don't even have my camera on right now. I'll turn it on when I see them fucking come out that car.
One day they're gonna invent a device that just shuffles the spike strips out of the front of the car.
So they're gonna grab that and run out into the street and throw it in front of
No,
the car?
they're gonna grab it and run to the stand there and sling it, and it's gonna slide across the street. And his tires are gonna pop, and they'll probably pop their big lights to fuck up our videos as soon as his tires pop.
And watch them miss.
Sometimes they do miss.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes the person drives around them because they see him standing out there ready to throw. What we need is somebody else on the other side of the street shooting this way at that corner. Because they're going to tell us we can't cross, and they'll take them out of the car on the opposite side of the car, so we won't get
That
good
car
video.
might roll for a little while too.
Get behind the fucking white car. Use a white car as a bumper to hide behind.
It's
and
gonna
you're
miss
good.
my money shot.
Yeah, but the thing is, it'll be going that way.
Oh, how do you know?
Because it happened down there.
Oh, the burglary?
Yeah.
Maybe
Tell who to stand in the middle of the road?
Chris.
No, I told him to hide behind the car over there.
Damn it.
Damn it.
I ain't your bitch, motherfucker.
I ain't your bitch. Dude, that trailer park, dude. Get the trailer park and shoot over the fence. What? Nice. That's a good shot. So we're safe behind these metal barriers. These two metal barriers.
No.
And he's, dude, I hope he's coming through here at like 90, dude. Epic awesome video.
Yeah.
Carnage. Carnage.
Watch that motherfucker.
No, actually, I hope nobody's hurt. Could y'all wrap this up? I got to shit.
Oh shit. Well, that's what he has to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got to make it. Mikey's got to make it stinky. Can you wrap this up?